So hey friends, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different this weekend. Today is Friday, November 15th, and I took the day off because I have a little bit of business to attend to. Something kind of fell into my lap a couple weeks ago, and it needs some investigating. So, long story short, my mom passed away. It'll be 26 years ago this January. Like I said, just a couple weeks ago, I got served some papers from the constable concerning some land that was in her name that's very behind on its taxes. So I have come here to the courthouse. I'm going to see, well, this is where I'm going to start and see what I can find out about this land and see what we would need to do to pay those back taxes. When I say we, I have two siblings, and yeah, I'm just kind of the representative of the three of us today. So, yep, I'm going to go see what this is about. Thought I'd take you along.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
All right, well, that was interesting, and I think I got a little bit of information from the courthouse. This sort of thing's difficult because you don't always know the right questions to even ask to get the answers that you need. But I did get a copy of the plat of where the property is, so I can drive out there and take a look at it, get a better idea of what we're even looking at. Very, very weird, though, the things that happen with real estate over the years. Now, when I walked into this courthouse, I felt like I was walking back into the 1930s. Everything is original 1935 in there. It's pretty cool. I didn't feel comfortable bringing my camera, though, and glad I didn't. I mean, I don't want to make people nervous, so pretty cool. So the tax office is right across the street. Popped over there and asked a couple questions, too. Talk about old school. They had this box chained to a desk with instructions on how to drop your tax payment in the box. Very bizarre. I took a picture, but anyway, I'll try to insert it here. Alright, I'm going to go out and take a look at the property real quick, I think. So it's been well over 20 years since I've been out here, and I don't remember it.
Turn left at the North Shore Road.
Nothing looks familiar. But so much changes over 20, 25 years that I'm not surprised either. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure, yes. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So, back in the day, this was a dirt road.
Continue on North Shore Road for 1.5 miles.
Yeah, this was a dirt road back then. And it's not been real long since it's been paved, so that tells me something. What does that tell me? Someone might want to come out here one day.
Your destination is on the right.
This is definitely not how I remember it at all. That little house was not there, and my mom's house is gone. Yeah, this doesn't look familiar one bit. And that definitely wasn't here 25 years ago. Yeah, that's kind of scary. Lots of barking dogs. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know why I feel weird doing this, because technically this is my land, but I feel weird doing this. Let's go check it out. I just don't remember this at all. Not at all. So, a little bit more about this land that we recently found out about that was my mom's. So, like I said, my mom passed away almost 26 years ago, but she was married at the time to my stepdad. Well, after she died, we just kind of assumed everything went to him as it should have and never thought a thing about it. Well, then about, I guess it's been maybe 10 years ago now, he passed away. And again, we didn't think anything about any land or anything like that. I know that after my mom and my stepdad split up, he had gotten with another woman. I don't know if they got married. Unfortunately, I kind of lost touch with him. So, like I said, we just never gave it any thought until I got a message from my ex-stepbrother about a month ago saying that somebody was looking for the rightful heirs to this land before it goes up for foreclosure. So that's how I found out about it. So, like I said, I have a sister and a brother. So we all conferred. I think my brother's going to come out tomorrow, and we're going to go take a look at that property together and see what kind of decision we can make, and talk to some attorneys and whatnot and see what needs to be done. So I'm kind of excited about it. Like I said, it's definitely kind of a shock. Didn't know it was there. Didn't know it was coming. Not sure what to do with it. So anyway, yep, that's what's going on here. Real life. But yeah, I'm glad it's not very far from a lake. So when I want to come out here, I can always come down and enjoy this. Wow, the birds are insane and the fish are jumping like crazy. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Yep. Short sleeves, late November. I'll take it. So y'all stay tuned to find out what happened to this property. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and y'all stay lost, my friends. Yeah, I think they do. I think they do have city water. Said at one point they had electric. I'm gonna go see this house. See if this is Blaine's old house. I don't know.